I'm so sorry to do this to you.
You've seen me say it 1,000 times at the market, on here, over about the shipping. Do not microwave your vegan croissants. What actually happens when you microwave a vegan croissant? We're about to find out. I'm about to show you. And I can't believe we're gonna sacrifice this perfectly good croissant, but in the name of science and education, we must. Let's put it in there. What, a minute? Please hold. All right. Okay, the smell is good, okay? The smell is good. And I mean, looking at it, I can already tell that it's greasy, but let's go back to the table so I can show you. Oh, it's so rubbery. Look at this. It's rubbery. It's so hot too, but it's like, it's just greasy and rubbery. There's no flake. It's not ripping apart as it should. I'm so sorry I did this. So I think you've seen what your croissant is like on the microwave. You do not want this for yourself. Don't microwave your croissants.